Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices. Following that, install this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Nextly, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I agree, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by hitting OK. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi Device and receive next to Send at the bottom of Xiaomi Redmi Note. Also on 12s, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Xiaomi Device. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top to pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, tap on Send next to select it. I will go with this one photo. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by using scanning icon, click on it. It's next to User Guide. Tap on while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And point your Xiaomi Redmi Note's camera at this QR code. Then wait. If you don't want to do that, you can always input this key by tapping on Input Key section, typing in all of those numbers in correct order, and hitting Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!